Hey, what's up guys, Nishman996 here, and once again, I just got my package from eBay. And there's my dog, Buddy. Buddy, hi! But, anyway, let's get to this, and then you'll see what I got in here. Alright, so let's see. Sorry for that close-up. Cardboard, nice gift. See ya. Alright, another receipt. Now for all you Cena haters out there, this is the most amazing picture ever. Oh yeah. The 8x10 John Cena WrestleMania 25 picture. Now this is amazing quality right here. I want to get Cena to autograph this next month, but honestly I didn't think it would be this big. So no, this is pretty good quality, and yeah, this is unbelievable. I'm gonna try to get him to sign it next month at Over the Limit and or at Raw. So yeah. So that's the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which should be the Extreme Rules 2011 review.